The 8 majestic subspecies of great lion around the world. Number 1. Barbary Lion. The Barbary lion was a Panthera leo population in North Africa that is regionally extinct today. This population occurred in Barbary coastal regions of Maghreb from the Atlas Mountains to Egypt and was eradicated following the spreading of firearms and bounties for shooting lions. A comprehensive review of hunting and sighting records revealed that small groups of lions may have survived in Algeria until the early 1960s, and in Morocco until the mid-1960s. Until 2017, the Barbary lion was considered a distinct lion subspecies. Results of morphological and genetic analyses of lion samples from North Africa published in 2008 showed that the Barbary lion does not differ significantly from lion samples collected in west and northern parts of Central Africa. It falls into the same phylogeographic group as the Asiatic lion, and is also closely related to lion populations in West Africa. The Barbary lion was also called North African lion, Berber lion, Atlas lion, and Egyptian lion. Barbary lion zoological specimens range in color from light to dark tawny. Male lion skins had short manes, light manes, dark manes, or long manes. Head to tail length of stuffed males in zoological collections varies from 2.35 to 2.8 meter, and of females around 2.5 meter. Skull size varied from 30.85 to 37.23 centimeters. Some manes extended over the shoulder and under the belly to the elbows. The mane hair was 8 to 22 centimeters long. In 19th century hunter accounts, the Barbary lion was claimed to be the largest lion, with a weight of wild males ranging from 270 to 300 kilograms. Yet, the accuracy of such data measured in the field is questionable. Captive Barbary lions were much smaller but kept under so poor conditions that they might not have attained their full potential size and weight. The color and size of lions' manes was long thought to be a sufficiently distinct morphological characteristic to accord a subspecific status to lion populations. Mane development varies with age and between individuals from different regions, and is therefore not a sufficient characteristic for subspecific identification. The size of manes is not regarded as evidence for Barbary lion's ancestry. Instead, results of mitochondrial DNA research support the genetic distinctness of Barbary lions in a unique haplotype found in museum specimens that is thought to be of Barbary lion descent. The presence of this haplotype is considered a reliable molecular marker to identify captive Barbary lions. Barbary lions may have developed long-haired manes, because of lower temperatures in the Atlas Mountains than in other African regions, particularly in winter. Results of a long-term study on lions in Serengeti National Park indicate that ambient temperature, nutrition, and the level of testosterone influence the color and size of lion manes. Number 2. Asiatic Lion. The Asiatic lion is a Panthera leo population in India. Its current range is restricted to the Gir National Park and environs in the Indian state of Gujarat. Historically, it inhabited much of Western Asia and the Middle East up to northern India. On the IUCN Red List, it is listed under its former scientific name Panthera leo persica as endangered because of its small population size and area of occupancy. The first scientific description of the Asiatic lion was published in 1826 by the Austrian zoologist Johann N. Meyer, who named it Felis leo persicus. Until the 19th century, it occurred in Saudi Arabia, eastern Turkey, Iran, Mesopotamia, and from east of the Indus River to Bengal and Narmada River in central India. Since the turn of the 20th century, it is restricted to the Gir Forest National Park and surrounding areas. This lion population has steadily increased since 2010. In May 2015, the 14th Asiatic Lion census was conducted over an area of about 20,000 square kilometers. The lion population was estimated at 523 individuals, comprising 109 adult males, 201 adult females and 213 cubs. In August 2017, surveyors counted 650 wild lions. The 15th Asiatic Lion census could not be conducted in 2020, as scheduled, because of the COVID-19 pandemic. In June 2020, an estimation exercise counted 674 Asiatic lions in the Gir Forest region, an increase of 29% over the 2015 census figure. The lion is one of 5 pantherine cats inhabiting India, along with the Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, snow leopard, and clouded leopard. It was also known as the Indian lion and the Persian lion. The Asiatic lion's fur ranges in color from ruddy tawny, heavily speckled with black, to sandy or buffish gray, sometimes with a silvery sheen in certain lights. Males have only moderate mane growth at the top of the head, so that their ears are always visible. The mane is scanty on the cheeks and throat where it is only 10 centimeters long. About half of Asiatic lion skulls from the Gir forest have divided infraorbital foramina, whereas African lions have only one foramen on either side. The sagittal crest is more strongly developed, and the postorbital area is shorter than in African lion. Skull length in adult males ranges from 330 to 340 millimeters, and in females from 292 to 302 millimeters. It differs from the African lion by a larger tail tuft and less inflated auditory bullae. The most striking morphological character of the Asiatic lion is a longitudinal fold of skin running along its belly. Shoulder height of males is 107 to 120 centimeters, and of females 80 to 107 centimeters. Head and body measurements of 2 lions in Gir forest were 1.98 meter each, with tail lengths of 0.79 to 0.89 meter and total lengths of 2.82 to 2.87 meter, respectively. The Gir lion is similar in size to the Central African lion, and smaller than large African lions. Adult males weigh 160 to 190 kilograms, while females weigh 110 to 120 kilograms. Manes. Asiatic, above, and Southern African, below, lions. Note the larger tail tuft, sparser mane on the head and prominent fold of skin on the abdomen of the former. Color and development of manes in male lions varies between regions, among populations, and with age of lions. In general, the Asiatic lion differs from the African lion by a less developed mane. The manes of most lions in ancient Greece and Asia Minor were also less developed and did not extend to below the belly, sides, or ulnas. Lions with such smaller manes were also known in the Syrian region, Arabian Peninsula, and Egypt. In contrast, a stone relief at Nineveh in the Mesopotamian plain depicts a lion with underbelly hair. Therefore, it was suspected that the Mesopotamian lion may have been a distinct subspecies, for which the scientific name Panthera leo mesopotamica was proposed. Exceptionally sized lions. The confirmed record total length of a male Indian lion is 2.92 meter, including the tail. Emperor Jahangir allegedly speared a lion in the 1620s that measured 3.10 meter and weighed 306 kilograms. In 1841, Austin Henry Layard accompanied hunters in Khuzestan, Iran, and sighted a lion which had done much damage in the plain of Ram Hormuz, before one of his companions killed it. He described it as being unusually large and of very dark brown color, with some parts of its body being almost black. In 1935, a British admiral claimed to have sighted a maneless lion feeding on a goat near Quetta. He wrote it was a large lion, very stocky, light tawny in color, and I may say that no one of us three had the slightest doubt of what we had seen until, on our arrival at Quetta, many officers expressed doubts as to its identity, or to the possibility of there being a lion in the district. Number 3. Cape Lion.
Cape Lion. The Cape Lion was a Panthera leo melanochaita population in South Africa's Natal and Cape provinces that was extirpated in the mid-19th century. The type specimen originated at the Cape of Good Hope and was described in 1842. Until 2017, the Cape Lion was considered a distinct lion subspecies. Phylogeographic analysis showed that lion populations in southern and East Africa are closely related. In 2017, lion populations in southern and East Africa were subsumed to Panthera leo melanochaita. Characteristics of Cape Lion. The type specimen of the Cape Lion was described as very large with black-edged ears and a black mane extending beyond the shoulders and under the belly. Skulls of two lion specimen in the British Natural History Museum from the Orange River Basin were described as a little shorter in the occipital regions than other lions in South Africa and with a tendency to develop the second lower premolar. American zoologist Edmund Heller described the Cape Lion's skull as longer than those of equatorial lions by at least 25 millimeters on average, despite being comparatively narrow. He considered the Cape Lion to have been distinctly bigger than other lions in Africa. Lions approaching 272 kilograms were shot south of the Vaal River. 19th century authors claimed that the Cape Lion was bigger than the Asiatic Lion. Results of a long-term study indicate that the color of lion manes is influenced by climatic variables and varies between individuals. Manes are darker and longer in cool seasons.
Number 4. Congo Lion.
The northeast Congo lion, Panthera leo-azandica, is not very much different from the other 7 species of lion. The name Azandica is from its area of distribution, which is in the northeastern part of the Congo. They have a lifespan of approximately 10 to 14 years in the wild and inhabit the grassland areas. Like many African animals, the northeast Congo lions are also an endangered species, and the reason is loss of their habitat. Their numbers have fallen by 50% in the last 2 decades. An international breeding program is trying to increase their population.
Number 5. The Masai Lion or East African Lion, Panthera lion, is a lion subspecies that is found in eastern Africa. This specimen is described as being from Nubia. The subspecies includes previously recognized subspecies like Maasai, which was initially described from the Tanganyika territory in eastern Africa. Newman first described the Masai lion as being less cobby with longer legs and less curved backs than other lion subspecies. Males have moderate tufts of hair on the knee joint, and their manes are not full but look like combed backwards. Male East African lions are generally 2.5 to 3 meters long including the tail. Lionesses are generally smaller, at only 2.3 to 2.6 meters. Lions, male or female, have a shoulder height of 0.9 to 1.10 meters. In weight, males are generally 145 to 205 kilos, and females are 100 to 165 kilos. As such, it would have been heavier than average southern African lions, Kalahari, southeast or southwest African lions, that weighed under 230 kilos, but not any exceptionally large southern African lion that weighed above 272 kilograms. Male Maasai lions are known for a great range of mane types. Mane development is related to age. Older males have more extensive manes than younger ones. Manes continue to grow up to the age of 4 to 5 years, long after lions have become sexually mature. Males living in the highlands above 800-meter altitude develop heavier manes than lions in the more humid and warmer lowlands of eastern and northern Kenya. The latter have scanty manes, or are even completely maneless. The Maasai lion was first described on the basis of observations in northern Uganda, near Kavirondo, and in southern Kenya, as well as near Lake Manyara, around Mount Kilimanjaro and in the Tanga region. Number 6. The Transvaal Lion, Panthera leo-krugeri, also called the Kruger, South African, or Southeast African lion, is a subspecies of the lion that reportedly lives in southern Africa, including Kruger National Park and Helene Royal National Park. Lions of the Kalahari region may be either Panthera leo-krugeri or Panthera leo-bayenbergi. It is named after the Transvaal region in South Africa. The male usually has a well-developed mane. Most of them are black-maned as well. Males are around 2.6 to 3.2 meter long including the tail. Females are 2.35 to 2.75 meter. Generally, the weight of males is 150 to 250 kilograms, while the females are 110 to 182 kilograms. They have a shoulder height of 0.92 to 1.23 m. It is a very popular lion subspecies. Surveys were conducted in the Upemba and Kundalungu national parks located in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, but no evidence of lion presence was found. Number 7. Panthera Lion melanochaita is a lion subspecies in southern and East Africa. In this part of Africa, lion populations are regionally extinct in Lesotho, Djibouti, and Eritrea, and threatened by loss of habitat and prey base, killing by local people in retaliation for loss of livestock, and in several countries also by trophy hunting. Since the turn of the 21st century, lion populations in intensively managed protected areas in Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, and Zimbabwe have increased, but declined in East African range countries. In 2005, a lion conservation strategy was developed for East and Southern Africa. The type specimen for Panthera Lion melanochaita was a black-maned lion from the Cape of Good Hope, known as the Cape Lion. Phylogeographic analysis of lion samples from Gabon and the Republic of the Congo indicate their close genetic relation to melanochaita samples from Namibia and Botswana. The lion's fur varies in color from light buff to dark brown. It has rounded ears and a black tail tuft. Average head-to-body length of male lions is 2.47 to 2.84 meter with an average weight of 187 to 263 kilograms in southern Africa and 174.9 to 255 kilograms in East Africa. Females average 124.2 to 149.8 kilograms in southern Africa and 119.5 to 145.8 kilograms in East Africa. Males in Kruger National Park weighed between 200.01 and 188.55 kilograms on average, whereas females weighed between 143.52 and 118.37 kilograms on average, though there was an outbreak of tuberculosis in the park at the time. The largest known lion measured 3.35 meter. An exceptionally heavy male lion near Mount Kenya weighed 272 kilograms. The longest wild lion reportedly was a male shot near Mukazo National Park in southern Angola in 1973. In 1936, a man-eating lion shot in 1936 in eastern Transvaal weighed about 313 kilograms, and was considered to have been one of the heaviest wild lions. In 1963, two lions in Tanzania weighed 320 and 360 kilograms after killing several livestock. Number 8. The Katanga Lion, Panthera liobaienbergi, also known as the Angolan lion, is a subpopulation of the southern African lion widely accepted by the authors, present in Central and Southern Africa. Spanning the Southern Democratic Republic of the Congo, in the Katanga region, hence its common name, Eastern Angola, Western Zambia and Zimbabwe, Northern Namibia, Etosha National Park, and Botswana, Delta del Okavango. Some lions in this area specialized in hunting buffalo. The average size for males in Zimbabwe is 2.75 meter. Even so, F.C. Silas hunted a large male in Hartley Hills, Zimbabwe, which was 302 centimeters long and 112 centimeters high at the shoulders. It was recorded an average weight of 202 kilograms for male lions in Zimbabwe, and among the samples the heaviest in Zimbabwe was a lion that reached 242 kilograms. Recently a pride of lions called Tsaro was discovered, which inhabits the Okavango Delta, in Botswana, which based on their body size, the two resident males were estimated to be between 250 kilograms, and the females 171 kilograms, similar to the average weight of adult male lions that inhabit in Eastern Africa. Another male registered in Botswana had a weight of 284 kilograms. A recent study conducted in Namibia's Etosha National Park of just 4 males resulted in a maximum length of 303 centimeters measured in a straight line from nose to tip of tail. The longest lion was a black-maned male captured by G. Gladney near Mukso, southern Angola, in October 1973 that weighed 335 kilograms. The heaviest lion known was a man-eating man killed in Botswana, weighing 385 kilograms.